Because carbon cities are events of global dimension and scope, whereby architecture incorporates design flows, material, digital, cultural, and proposes alternative models that resolve future metabolisms of the planet. The global growth predicted for the future is a social and urban challenge that is already affecting cities such as Moscow, where the movement of almost 8 million commuters from the suburbs to the city center puts a huge strain on the urban structure due to the increasing use of individual transport, which environmental consequences are already unfeasible. In light of this, the aim is to equip mobility nodes such as Kievsky Station, which relate to initiatives that already promote the improvement of public transport on an urban and regional scale, taking advantage of exciting accessibility to propose new necessary uses in a globalized future as a single intervention that provides a solution to three major challenges. Moscow has reached its long-awaited zero waste goal, implementing a series of decentralized waste sorting centers in each neighborhood. The intervention solves its alienation by integrating itself into the station and the nearby urban fabric, with a welcoming and transparent character, allowing the visitor to walk through it, revealing in its stages those practices that reflects the population's feeling through recreational and civic uses in the new public space, which allows expressing artistic concerns with the reuse of materials or raising awareness, making use of the design workshops or the multipurpose auditorium. Co-living for homeless people is nourished by the proposal through the reused equipment and furniture from the second-hand market and a vertical farming, from which the inhabitants of the area can also benefit. Gatscape is committed to digitally equipping the existing infrastructure where hyperconnectivity and data processing will be relevant in order to be able to provide coverage in the future to a great demand for real-time information. The program is distributed on three levels: underground, pre-existing, and air, and it's organized in four ways. Accumulate information. A data center is proposed to support the station communication systems, as well as an archive for the growing protection of Russian intangible heritage. Manage information. Control rooms are proposed to monitor both the station itself and the rest of the city station. Producing information. Professionalized spaces are proposed in the form of recording set, classrooms, etc. Residing while producing information. A residence for content creators is proposed to promote this way of living, as well as domestic spaces for rent for the recording of all types of content. In the north part of the station, the deepness of the metro is used to dig three zines boxes that do not only work as a theatrical space, but they also organize the rest of the program, a transport hub, dwellings, and other theater-related spaces. These three nuclei help creating new visual relations in all directions, revealing the infrastructural quality of the existence, interweaving itself with it but without hindering it. The three conical perforations with different heights and depths work as a serving space for three different theatrical typologies: classic opera, experimental, and urban. On the surface, the new plaza will be elongated green pedestrian space with a superficial manifestation of the underground theaters and with the ability to showcase other performances on this level. These three new programs aim to reduce urban sprawl and the lack of housing in the city center by planning several types of dwellings associated with public recreational areas and healthy for citizens.